Answer me. Magaling ka, genius ka, di ba? Sagutin mo ako. You have nothing to do with Pogo, but you applied for a license in PAGCOR, and you were refused a license. What kind of license? PAGCOR is not giving a license for apartments or buildings. They are giving licenses for Pogo. Huwag kang mag-isinungaling dito.
Yes po, Mr.
Kahit
Chair,
genius
kasi
ka, hindi mo kayang paikutin.
Mr. Chair, I invoke my right.
Ha?
I invoke my right to remain silent.
No, you cannot invoke your right. That is not, this is not a court. This is a hearing in Congress.
Attorney, are you advising your client properly? Because according to our rules, the refusal to answer any question which is not incriminatory to the resource persons, he can be cited in contempt. Alam nyo naman po siguro yan.
Pero ikaw ay inutusan ng Lucky South, magbayad ka sa PAGCOR ng back charges sapagkat ikaw mismo ang nag-apply sa PAGCOR ng Pogo. Ngayon lang ako nakakita, Mr. Chair, ng isang babaeng 24 years old na walang pinag-aralan, drop out, na nakakasagot ng kanyang klaseng sagot sa hearing na ito. Pakisagot mo nga, Miss Casyong. Hindi mo kaya ang sagutin? Aba, magaling ka. Sapagkat napapaikot kami lahat dito. Oo. O, siguro mamaya, si Congressman Romy ako magtatanong sa iyo. Pero ito, sabihin ko kaya na pa ako nakikinig Mr. Chair O, at nakikita ko na marunong ka May alam ka. Edukado ka. And you tell me now, you are refusing to answer the question of Congressman Pimentel on where you studied? Hindi naman namin tinatanong kung anong antas ng pinag-aralan mo Oo. Ang tinatanong, hindi ka ba nag-aral ng elementary? Let me ask you. Nag-aral ka ba ng elementary? Hindi.
Opo.
Ayun. Sumagot ka din. High school, nag-aral ka. Mr. Chair.
Hindi po, Mr. Chair.
So, hindi ka nag-high school, elementary lang natapos mo? Elementary lang?
Opo.
Ay, Mr. Chair, genius to. Genius. Elementary lang ang natapos niya, pero pinapaikot mo si Congressman Fernandez. Elementary nga lang Pinapaikot si Congressman Fernandez. Napapaniwala pa ni Congressman.
Hindi, we're trying to be lenient. Mr. Chairman, if I may. We're just trying to be lenient because, yun nga, sinasabi natin, okay naman, nag-waiver na siya Yun nga lang problem, si withdraw And that's the reason why medyo, bakit ganun? Kasi nga, winidraw na namin yung...
Tingnan mo
Di ba?
Kanina, nabanggit mo kay Congressman Dan Fernandez, hindi nabigyan ng lisensya. Narinig ko yun, You were not given a license. Now, what license are you talking about?
Nag-email po Mr. Chair, nag-email po si PAGCOR sa email ko dahil ako po yung authorized po. Kaya sa akin po nag-email. Ang sabi po ni PAGCOR po is hindi po sila magbibigay ng lisensya. Hindi siya mag-renew.
PAGCOR.
Opo,
Ang
Mr.
PAGCOR, hindi nagbibigay ng lisensya sa mga building. Nagbibigay ng lisensya sa Pogo. Di ba?
Opo.
Kanina binabanggit mo na wala kang kinalaman sa Pogo
Mr. Chair, may I explain po?
Kahit mag-explain ka, tatanggi mo na naman na involved ka sa Pogo hindi ba? You're going to explain, but you will still insist that you have nothing to do with Pogo. Answer me. Magaling ka, genius ka, di ba? Sagutin mo ako. You have nothing to do with Pogo, but you applied for a license in PAGCOR, and you were refused a license. What kind of license? PAGCOR is not giving a license for apartments or buildings. They are giving licenses for Pogo. What are you applying for?
Yes po, Mr. Chair.
What are you applying for?
Nag-apply po kami for renewal po ng license po.
Nang ano?
PAGCOR po.
Nang ano nga?
PAGCOR po.
Hindi, nang ano?
License to operate po.
For what? Anong i-operate?
Yung tag po dito, yung...
Pogo. Come on, tell me. Pogo. Operation ng Pogo. Tell us here. Because look, we are preventing that Congressman Karap will again make a motion for contempt and consign you to Mandaluyong Correctional Institution. Now, you answer me now. What kind of license did you trying to get from PAGCOR?
Mr. Chair, license to operate po ng PAGCOR.
Ano? Anong
Ng
to
business
operate
po.
ng PAGCOR? Hindi pwedeng to operate ng PAGCOR. You applied for a license from PAGCOR to operate what?
To operate Pogo po.
Yun. Ibig sabihin, involved ka sa Pogo. Hindi ka pwedeng mag-apply ng license sa PAGCOR na hindi mo alam na Pogo yan. Oh my goodness. Oh, nagpunta ka sa PAGCOR. Sinama mo pa si Atty. Harry Roque. Si Atty. Harry Roque naman, sapagkat alam mo may influence sa PAGCOR yan, nagpasama ka sa kanya at nagbayad ka pa ng dollar sa PAGCOR. According to Chairman Altenco. Am I right? Back charges. Nagbayad ka. Am I right?
Yes po, Mr. Chair.
Ano yung binayaran mo?
Utang po.
Utang ng ano? Utang mo? O
No.
utang ng
po
ano?
ng Lucky South sa
Therefore,
PAGCOR po.
kung hindi ka kasama sa Lucky South, bakit ikaw ang nagbabayad ng utang ng Lucky South sa PAGCOR, Mr. Chair?
Pwede po, Mr. Chair.
Sige, go ahead. Go ahead.
Mr. Chair, authorized representative lamang po ako.
Whatever it is, authorized representative ka, utusan ka, pero ikaw ay inutusan ng Lucky South, magbayad ka sa PAGCOR ng back charges sapagkat ikaw mismo ang nag-apply sa PAGCOR ng Pogo. Yes or no?
Hindi po, Mr. Chair, hindi po ako mismo yung nag-apply sa Pogo. Renewal lang nung pumunta
Hindi
po
pa
kami.
kasama ka ni Atty. Jairo sa
Yes
PAGCOR?
po, for renewal po.
Ibig sabihin, ikaw ang nag-renew o nag-apply, whatever it is. Basta napunta ka sa PAGCOR. Am I right?
Yes po.
Ikaw ang nagbayad. Am I right?
Yes po, Mr. Chair.
At ang binayaran mo sa PAGCOR, ukol yun sa Pogo. Am I right? Yes or no? Huwag kang mag-isinungaling dito.
Yes po, Mr.
Kahit
Chair.
genius
kasi
ka, hindi mo kayang paikutin. Kaming dalawa ni Congressman Romy Acop. Si Congressman Dan, kaya hindi mo pa pinapaikot yan eh. Mr. Chair.
Mr. Chairman.
Congressman Abante.
Alam mo, Mr. Chairman, this is not a laughing
Yes,
matter.
yes, Congressman Dan.
No, I just wanted to also to clarify my position is to really to find out yung nalalaman ni Miss Cassandra Ong. Yun lang naman ang intention natin, to find out the truth, to help us ease the problems that we are encountering on trying to link each and every one of those who have perpetrated crimes on this Pogo Hub. And I thought, and we thought, that she'll be cooperating with us. But unfortunately, it seems that she doesn't want to cooperate. I hope, Kasi, that you will change your mind.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. Noted. I know that Congressman Dan is so kind with beautiful women.
Okay, are you done?
Mr. Chair, no,
Congressman?
I'm at the time. I about to have
Okay,
two
please
questions
wrap
more.
up. Thank you.
Yes. Ms. Cassie Ong, Mr. Chair, may I ask, do you know Rainier Chu? Do you know Rainier Chu? Kilala mo ba si Rainier Chu? Yes or no lang yan, kung kilala mo o siya o hindi. Do you refuse to answer if you know?
Tanungin natin,
Kilala mo ba si Rainier Chu?
Mr. Chair, I invoke my right.
Ah?
I invoke my right to remain silent.
No, you cannot invoke your right. That is not, this is not a court. This is a hearing in Congress.
Chairman,
She invoked her right not
Chairman.
to answer. Tinatanong kita, kilala mo ba si Rainier Chu?
Okay, before that, Congressman Abante, is this a interjection?
yes, Mr. Chairman, if the good congressman...
Although
Abante
our
will-
ground rules does not allow interjections, but the chair will allow you to speak.
Thank you, Chairman.
Congressman Paduano.
Mr. Chairman, matanong ko lang po, that was the advice of your lawyer? No, that's yours. Now, ang ano kasi dito sa House, sa inquiry legislation, if the question and your answer will be incriminating to you. And what is incriminating to answer yes or no to that question of the Chairman Abante? Wala eh. Wala akong nakitang incriminating. Tinatanong ka pa lang naman kung kilala mo o hindi. O yes or no lang.
Pakisagot mo lang, kilala mo ba si Mr. Rainier Chu?
Mr. Chair, pwedeng hindi ko po siya sagutin.
So parang
Mr.
sinabi
Chair.
mo na rin,
Mr.
nakakilala mo siya.
Chair,
Okay.
Mr. Chair.
Again, sige, Congressman Acop.
Attorney, are you advising your client properly? Because according to our rules, the refusal to answer any question which is not incriminatory to the resource persons, he can be cited in contempt. Alam nyo naman po siguro yun. So, kindly advise your lawyer kasi, yeah,
May I, Mr. Chair, repeat the question? I just would like Ms. Cassie Ong please to answer me right now and to answer the committee, yes or no. Kilala ba
Chair.
niya si Rainier Chu? Sapagkat if she will not answer and invoke her right to silence, ibig sabihin, Mr. Chair, kilala niya si Rainier Chu. And I know, Mr. Chair, that she refuses to answer if she knows because there are some sensitive things that she knows about Pogo.
So your 30 seconds is up. Kasi, kilala mo ba si Mr. Rainier Chu?
kakilala po.
Okay. Yun.
Pero po, again, hindi ko po siya, parang,
O yun ang susunod kong tanong. Ano ang pagkakilala mo sa kanya?
again, hindi ko po siya sobrang close po.
Pero kilala ka niya. Hindi mo siya masyadong kilala, pero kilala ka niya at kilala ka niya na ikaw ay involved sa Pogo Hub.
Hindi ko
Again, sinayo mo na kanina na ang binayaran mo sa Pagcor Pogo involved ka. Please, Miss Ong, please. Sapagkat you have been answering, kahit noon pa, I was asking you, na sinasabi mo palagi, hindi ka involved sa Pogo, hindi mo alam ang Pogo. Right now, you know, anyone can be caught in the mouth. Okay? A fish is always caught in the mouth. Unless otherwise, you use a net. Alright? So therefore, ngayon, inaamin mo sa committee ito na you know about Pogo. Inaamin mo na you Lucky South, Pogo ang negosyo. Yes or no?
Pwedeng pakiulit mo yung question.
Mr. Chair, ang lakas na ho ng boses ko eh. Para hindi nyo marinig yung sinabi ko eh. Mahina din ba tenga mo? Ang lakas na ng boses ko eh. Uulitin ko pa ba?
If I may,
Mr. Chair.
Congressman Nabante, if I may, just few. Alam mo, kasi, sa tingin ng marami naming mga kasamahan dito, ikaw ay ginamit na dami. Ikaw ay dami ng mga taong nasa likod nitong Pogo. Ang sunod na tanong, ikaw ba alam mo na illegal yung mga ginagawa o hindi? Kaya nga binibigyan ka namin ng pagkakataon. Dahil pwede mo namang sabihin na ginamit ka, na dami ka lang. Hindi ba? Kasi kung sasabihin mo, ipipilit mo na ikaw ay isang investor dyan, baka tanungin namin magkanong ininvest mo at hindi ka magsalita, mas mananagot ka sa amin. Pangalawa, saan galing yung pera mo? Diba, sinabi mo kanina, nabanggit mo sa mother mo. Na yung mother mo, I'm sorry to hear that, she passed away already. Pero tatanungin namin, saan galing? Yung mother mo ba may negosyo? Meron bang binabayad na buwis? Magkano bang naipon ng mother mo? Gusto mo bang umabot tayo sa ganun? Kaya alam mo, yung mga tanong na tinatanong ng mga kasamahan namin dito, kasi kami alam na namin na ikaw ay ginamit lang eh. Ikaw ay dami ka lang dito. At merong mga tao nasa likod nito na hindi mo mabanggit for some reason. No, for some reason, hindi mo mabanggit kasi maaaring malapit sa'yo, o hindi kaya ay kamag-anak mo, o hindi kaya ay boyfriend mo, o hindi kaya ay siya yung pilit mong tinatago sa amin. Di ba? Anong masasabi mo kasi?
Sa lahat po ng question na po, hindi po ako dami.
So, investor ka?
Yes po.
So, sige.
Mr. Chair.
Investor po ng ano?
Mr. Chair, again po, Wordwin po. Mr. Chair.
Kasi, how much did you earn in totality being the incorporator of Whirlwind Corporation?
Can I not disclose that po?
Simple question. You've been a incorporator of Whirlwind Corporation. Kung ikaw ay incorporator, siyempre, at least alam mo kung magkano. Sabihin na lang natin, nung nag-start ka ng, sa Whirlwind Corporation, nung 2019 yung sa 2022. So magkano yung kinita mo na doon? Nagbabayad ka ba ng income tax? Do you have an income tax return?
Ipatanong ko po sa tao ko. Basta...
Kasi you're handling so much money. Tapos, a simple income tax return, hindi mo masagot. So, be cooperative. Magsabi ka na kasi ng totoo sa amin. Kasi yun lang kami makakatulong sa'yo. Natatakot ka ba sa mga tao na kapaligid sa'yo? Hindi ka natatakot? Hindi ka natatakot makulong?
Harapin ka ng boss,
Ha?
Mr. Chair.
Ano na?
If ever po there's a case against...
Haharapin mo na lang yung kaso.
Opo.
So in other words, you don't want to be protected by being cooperative to this committee, and you will face the music with the court. Is that what you're trying to say? Ay, ibig sabihin, mas gugustuhin mo pang harapin talaga yung kaso mo sa korte kaysa bigyan ka namin ng pagkakataon na maging parte ng aming pinaglalaban dito sa Quad Committee ito, na mag-cooperate ka sa aming investigasyon. So, in other words, you will not be you will not be cooperating anymore by naming names. Yun lang naman hinihingi namin sa'yo kasi mga pangalan
Wala po akong may bibigay na pangalan, Mr. Chair.
Mr. Chair,
Sige,
Mr. Chair,
Congressman Abante.
I'd like to make a motion that we invite Mr. Rainer Chu in this hearing, Mr. Chair. I so move.
There is a motion to invite Mr. Rainier Chu. Any second?
Second, Mr. Chair.
Julie seconded. No objections. Hearing no objections, the motion is carried. Comsec.
Oh, Mr. Chair, isa na lang tanong, no? Sinabi mo kanina, Mr. Chair, Miss Cassie, na ang involvement mo ay yung income rentals ng Whirlwind. Am I right? Oo.
Yes po, Mr. Chair.
Tanong ko lang ganito. Yung income rentals per square meter, di ba? And per ulo operator. Am I right? Per ulo operator protection. Protection dito sa iyo at kay Mr. Wu.
No po.
Hindi.
Hindi po.
Wala
Wala
Sapagkat ikaw ang kumukolekta Ikaw ang kumukolekta ng income rentals per square meter plus yung protection para kay Mr. Wu. Pakisagot na po.
Wala po.
Okay. Well, lastly, Mr. Chair, is your lawyer here right now an associate of Attorney Topacio? You are.
Yes po, Mr. Chair.
May I ask, Mr. Chair, why Attorney Topacio is not here today? Can the lawyer answer, please?
Your Honor, please, he has a previous commitment. He was supposed to be ready for yesterday's hearing, but unfortunately, it was transferred to today, Your Honor.
Well, Congressman Dan mentioned about what Attorney Topacio did to us. No? Would like to ask from you if Attorney Topacio owned this, I do not know if this is Facebook or whatever it is. It is called Yes, Yes, Yo. Does Attorney Topacio own this?
I understand, Your Honor, that he has a radio program, but I don't know if that is the one, Your Honor.
Oh, yes. It says right here, yes, yes, yo. Have a great weekend. And this is what Attorney Topacio is saying. You know, he is trying to appear like he is a young brat when he is actually a very good lawyer. And he is a friend even of this committee. I do not know why he has been saying things against us and bad things about us. Anyway, alam mo may kasabihan tayo, Attorney, Mr. Chair. Meron akong nabasang kasabihan. You know, never approach a bull in front and never approach a horse behind and never approach an idiot in any direction. Oh, bahala ka na, attorney, kung anong gusto mong isipin tungkol doon, you know. And the thing is, we're not going to, in a way, attack him for this. Gusto ko lang sabihin sa kanya, at we have a copy of all of this. I'm not actually offended, no? Nakakaano lang na the kind of very good lawyer he is. That he would appear like a young brat that does nothing but go against us who are seriously investigating this matter for the Filipino people. Para malaman po ng publiko ang katotohanan. Hindi po para sa amin. Mr. Chair, maraming salamat po. Yun lang gusto kong sabihin.
Thank you, Congressman Abante.